What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2015 Dodge Challenger. We're going to be installing a performance chip, anti-lag chip, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is how it comes. Has double-sided tape on the back and a cable. So one cable is going to be installed to the accelerator pedal, and the other one's going to be installed back on the so it's going to be one the accelerator pedal and then one on the actual plug of the accelerator. So it goes something like that, and then it'll all go wired up this way and connected to the chip. And let's see how it works. Okay, so you take off the cover, this cover here, right above the accelerator, the brake and gas pedal, and it's held on by two of these clips, one here and one here, and it comes right off. So then let me see it, but that's the plug right there with the yellow wire. You're gonna disconnect that and connect the little box. All right, so you're gonna connect this plug and this plug together, and this one goes on the actual pedal where this one was connected. So these actually, let me see, no, backwards. Okay, so this small one goes connected to this one. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, so that's connected. Now this one goes connected onto the accelerator. All right, after that is plugged in, I ran the wiring up here through here. It's gonna come out right here. So most likely I'll try to put it somewhere on here for the client. But yeah, the wiring is very easy, and then once this is up, you don't see those wires. So yeah, I'll probably try to put it somewhere like this. Easy access and it'll look good. Yeah, so we'll do that. All right, so we decided to mount it here, and ran the wires through here, up here, and we ran it a little bit hidden right here, and it came out here. So let's turn it on. So I know it has 3 different modes to choose from, and you choose the mode to go here. There's the eco mode. This is nothing. P1, P2, P3. I want to try this one, but you change the modes to go here, and then the power setting to go here, and whatnot. So this is supposed to reduce the lag, thus you feeling more acceleration. So it's instant power, but of course it's not a performance. I mean, it's a performance chip, but not a power chip. In other words, it uses the same power the car has, but it's just the accelerator has no lag compared to where it does when it comes from factory. So let's test it out. little chip is definitely worth it. P1, P9, it's really worth it. It flies. You really feel it. Alright guys, so that's how you install the throttle controller on that Challenger. Guys, I'm gonna work on this car now, so if you want to keep up to date what I'm doing to this car, follow us on our IG and Facebook. I post a lot of stuff there that I cannot post on YouTube because it's too much work. I'm actually going to do the door panels, doing diamond stitch on those, so if you want to see how that comes out, go follow us. Once again guys, thank you for all you guys support, and until the next one.